Creating a smart object in Photoshop is a useful technique that lets you work non-destructively and maintain the quality of your images. Follow these steps to make a smart object easily and for free, assuming you have access to Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Step 1. Open Photoshop. Launch Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you don't have it installed, you can download a free trial version from the official Adobe website. Step 2. Open your image. Go to File in the top menu and select Open. Choose the image you want to work on and click Open. The image will appear on your workspace. Step 3. Convert your layer. Once your image is opened in Photoshop, look for the Layers panel, usually located on the right side of your screen. If you don't see the Layers panel, go to Window in the top menu and select Layers. Step 4. Right-click on the layer in the Layers panel. Find the layer that represents your image. Right-click on this layer to bring up a context menu. Step 5. Select Convert to Smart Object. From the context menu that appears, select the option Convert to Smart Object. You'll notice a small icon appears on the layer indicating that it is now a smart object. Step 6. Make edits with your image converted to a smart object. You can now make various edits like resizing, applying filters, and transformations without losing the original quality of the image. These edits are non-destructive because the original image is preserved within the smart object. Step 7. Save your work. Once you've finished editing, make sure to save your work. Go to File and select Save as to save your image in the desired format. Photoshop supports various file formats, including PSD, JPEG, and PNG. Subscribe for more videos and tips.